Sun After Rain by Susanne Donoghue. A week of rain has emptied cloud coffers of silver and leaves trees weeping green tears of joy to see the sun. I too feel ready to cry or fly, so great is my relief. Color now seems miraculous, and cascades of water everywhere celebrate the epiphany of coral and emerald and buttercup and rose. The swallows don't pause in snatching their airborne snacks. Tasty gnats and no-see-ums. Please eat a lot of them. The cows are chowing down on the radiance of long grass. Only the street dogs look miserable. I guess they had no place to hide from the drenching. I've heard they don't like cold baths much. Well, I can't blame them for sulking. Neither do I. Sun is busy raising the week's spill as clouds flee the warmth and trundle off to drown another town. So much kindness on my skin, in my eyes, on the fields, the birds, the dogs, and all. It is raining sun rays as a gentle apology, and as I take it all in, I too begin to glow and send off sparks and laughter and song.